morning, 8024. Today is the last day of session of my first term in the Assembly, and we figured we'd give you an update earlier in the day rather than a couple of minutes after midnight after session ends. This has been my first term serving the residents of the 24th Assembly District in the Assembly, and it has been an amazing honor. It's been humbling, it's been energizing, it's been fulfilling, it's been scary, everything, but I'm so grateful to have this opportunity. We thought we'd give you an update on some of the issues that I've been leading over the last 2 years. As chair of the Elections and Redistricting Committee, I've been leading on efforts to make sure that our election systems are safe and secure from outside influence from other countries or just people who are trying to influence our elections. That includes creating the Office of Election Cybersecurity in the Secretary of State's office, and also making sure that county voter databases are secure and using the best practices to protect themselves from outside influence. I've also been leading efforts on the 2020 census as chair of the Select Committee on the Census in the Assembly, making sure that every Californian gets counted in the 2020 census, and we'll be working on that for the next 2 years. As chair of the Select Committee on the 1960 Master Plan for Higher Education, we're updating California's policies around higher education to make sure California students are getting the skills they need to succeed in the 21st century economy. And then we're also sending 18 bills to the governor this year. This includes continuing efforts that I've been doing to protect survivors of sexual assault. Last year we created the Sexual Assault Survivors Bill of Rights. This year we're extending the statute of limitations for survivors of a sexual assault to be able to receive civil damages. And then I'm also continuing my work on youth mental health and suicide prevention. This year we were able to get $1.7 million in the budget so that every school across California can get access to the best online suicide prevention training. So we're going to be coming up with new bill ideas going into next year, but I just want to say thank you for this amazing experience that I've had over the last 2 years. Don't hesitate to go to my website to see all the details for all the bills we've been working on. Thank you so much.